We're going to be doing a gentle mobilization or warm up to start our rebounding workout. Feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Always the bend in the knees, engaging the core, and we're just going to look side to side. Gently warming up. A few more. Let's do some shoulder rolls. It feels so good. I can hear my shoulders cracking. Whew. I carry a lot of tension in my shoulders, so this feels amazing. And the other way. Make that movement a little bigger by engaging our arms. And forward. And just a few arm circles to the right. And whew. Other side. Hands on our knees. Going to gently pull our pelvis back, and we're going to do some cat-cow. Just hollowing out the back and then pressing back. This is cat. And cow. Waking up the spine. Okay, and while we're down here, we're just going to move our knees in a circular motion to one side. And then to the other side. Gently come up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Just gonna put one hip out to the side. Few little pulses, and to the other side. Couple pulses, and then we're doing a big circle with our hips. Like we're using a hula hoop in slow motion. And back the other way. Whew. Okay, we're going to open up our hip flexors. Challenge yourself, you can come up and do some gentle rolls like that, but keeping your toe on the mat is fine too. Other side. That is very challenging. Now we're just going to roll our feet forward, waking up our feet all the way up to our toes, getting them ready to rebound. It's a beautiful morning here in Valley of Fire National Park in Nevada. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. You're ready, you're warm. Go for your rebounding workout.